guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video I am going to be trying out 2 of the 4 gels by KeraCare. It is their GelEssence gel collection. I recently reviewed the Super Hold gel as well as the moisturizing gel with the Jamaican black castor oil in it. I will have that video listed up above and in the description box so you can check that out after this video. But in this video I am going to be comparing the anti-shedding gel here along with the strengthening gel with extra virgin olive oil. So in the video where I compared the other 2 gels, I used the leave-in conditioner from Paige Marie, and this is what that looks like. And this is what I currently have in my hair as well. In the previous video, I also did like a little mix test with the Paige Marie leave-in conditioner along with the 2 gels that I used to see if they would mix well, and they did. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this leave-in conditioner will mix well with these 2 gels that I'm reviewing in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the anti-shedding gel with biotin on this side here. And then on this side, I am going to use the strengthening gel with extra virgin olive oil. It says that this gel helps reduce shedding while giving a good hold. It is flake-free, no parabens, mineral oil, silicones, phthalates, or petrolatums. Okay, so this is what the gel looks like. And as you can see, it is a really pretty turquoise color. So let me just go ahead and take this cap off my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this side down. And this is what my hair is looking like with just the Paige Marie leave-in conditioner in. My hair looks super duper shiny, curls are super defined. So I am just going to go ahead and section this part. And this gel has like a super light fragrance to it. It is nothing overbearing or anything. So I'm just going to go in with about this amount right here. And it feels really thick and creamy. So let's just go ahead and apply it to this section. And it feels really, really good as I am adding it onto my hair. I am able to finger detangle my hair with the gel. Alright, so this is what that section looks like with just the amount that I applied. But I am going to go in with a little bit more, about this much here. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is somewhat elongated. The definition is super duper good, and that is what we are looking like. My hair looks shiny, definition is there. Okay, so I am just going to apply the rest of this gel to this section, and once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what this side looks like. Okay, so I'm finally done putting the anti-shedding gel in my hair on this side, and this is what it is looking like. My hair is still super duper defined. To me, it doesn't look like it made a big difference to my curls, you know, by adding the gel on top of the leave-in conditioner, but this is what it is looking like as far as my wet results go. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the strengthening gel with extra virgin olive oil. This gel claims to strengthen and condition hair while giving a good hold. It adds shine, it's flake-free, and there are no parabens, no mineral oil, silicones, phthalates, or petrolatums in this gel either. So let's just go ahead and open this up. And this gel smells a little different than the anti-shedding gel, but you know, the scents are still like super duper light to where, you know, I'm not really able to distinguish like a specific smell. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little bun out. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this gel right here. And you know, the consistencies, they feel pretty much the same as well. So I'm gonna go in with this much. And this gel is also easy to apply to my hair. It doesn't feel like super thick or super light, just like a medium consistency. But I do feel that it is like clumping my curls a little bit more than the anti-shedding gel. And it is elongating my hair some as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue applying the rest of this gel to this section, and once I'm done, I'll be back to let you guys see what this section looks like. Okay, so this is what that side is looking like here. And as you can see, like my curls are really defined. I kind of like the way this side looks better than this side does. The curls here seem to be like really individually defined, but these curls on this side seem to be a little bit more clumped than the other. So as I always say, the true test to see how these gels compare is when my hair has completely dried. So once my hair has completely dried, I'll come back and let you guys see what my final results look like. Okay, so my hair has completely dried, and this is what the anti-shedding gel with biotin side is looking like. I do have some shrinkage, not as much as the one as the strengthening gel with the extra virgin olive oil in it. And as you saw earlier, like this side was more elongated while it was wet, but it is quite a bit of shrinkage now that it has dried. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and bend my hair with the satin scrunchies here, put on my satin bonnet, and then I will come back tomorrow and let you guys see what the final results look like. And I also wanted to add though, now that my hair has completely dried, like this side of my hair, it doesn't have like a crunch on it or anything, and my hair feels really, really moisturized. And I will say that this side right here doesn't have like a hard gel cast or anything on it. And my hair feels moisturized as well. so I am done fluffing out my hair, and the major difference that I see right off is that this side here is more fuller than this side over here. Both sides still have really good curl definition. Both sides feel really soft, no crunchy areas or anything, no gel cast. So if I had to choose between the strengthening gel with the extra virgin olive oil and the anti-shedding gel, just as far as appearances go, it would have to be this side over here. I feel that this side right here will get fuller as the days go on, and this side right here won't be too far behind. And also the most important thing is that I didn't get any flakes or anything, so these two gels work with the Paige Marie leave-in conditioner that I used for the other two gels. As far as the anti-shedding gel goes, that would be something that you would have to determine if it really helps with shedding over a certain period of time versus like an instant type thing. If I had to pick a favorite out of all of the 4 gels, the Super Whole Gel, the Moisturizing Gel with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the Anti-Shedding Gel with Biotin, and the strengthening gel with extra virgin olive oil, it would have to be this one. It's just my overall favorite. Like I said earlier, I just like the way my hair looks on day 1, but I will say that you can't go wrong with any of these 4 gels because they both gave me great results, great definition. My hair felt soft, and most importantly, I had no flakes. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these 2 gels on my hair, what side you like better. And if you haven't checked out the first video with the Super Whole Gel and the moisturizing gel with the JBCO in it, I will have that linked up above and in the description box so you can kind of see how all 4 gels worked. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.